The user begins by asking Matillion's agentic data team, Maia, for guidance on performing fundamental data transformation tasks, aggregations, joins, filters, and calculations, for someone new to Matillion. Recognizing the user's educational intent, Maia decides on a step-by-step approach and considers creating a simple demonstration pipeline that shows columns from lookups, groups, filtered conditions, and calculated values. As follow-up questions are asked, Maia suggests relevant Matillion components for each transformation, providing confidence levels and rationales for their usefulness. When sample tables are identified, Maia proceeds to construct a pipeline using realistic data, for example, encounters and patients. It details each operation, joining tables, filtering high-value records, calculating new columns, and aggregating results. Ultimately, Maia summarizes the process and underlying concepts, presents example outputs, and ensures the user gains a practical foundation in Matillion's transformation features.